Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to migrate data. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Migrating your data from Evernote to another platform such as Notion, Microsoft OneNote, or Google Keep, or even transferring it to a local storage can be an essential process when transitioning to a new tool or managing data backup. Now, if you're using the web version, it's going to be kind of impossible because you don't have the capability to migrate data using the web version, even if you're using the mobile version of Evernote. If you're using the mobile app, it's not possible. The only way for you to be able to migrate data is using the desktop application. So if you haven't already, you might want to go to the Evernote download page and download the Evernote for Mac and for Windows. All right. Now, from the web, I'm going to quickly transition to the desktop application. You see this? Right? So this is going to be my web version and my desktop version. Now, I was able to show it in another video on how to sync both of your devices. If you go to the settings, make sure that the devices are connected so they can seamlessly work together. All right? Since it's online, whatever you work here, whatever data that you have on the web will automatically reflect on the desktop application, which is this one. All right? So if again, I'm gonna go here on the desktop application. Now we need to export first the file. How? Go to the file section and click the export node. What will happen is you have all these files. You can choose from the NX file format or .enex. As you can see, you can export all the note attributes such as created date, tags, author, note reminders, source URL, tasks, and updated date. I want you to click the export button. And as you can see, export completed. Now we're going to export this in different file formats. Next is going to be the single web page, click, or HTML, click the export button. So export has been completed. Now another option is go to the file, click the export note as a PDF, save as PDF. Now you have multiple options to send OneNote on desktop. If you click that, click the print option, you will be forwarded to this. It's migrating. Just wait for it. All right. As you can see, the Microsoft OneNote is going to be is launching right now. All I have to do is click on OK. You see that we have successfully migrated the data from the Evernote here in Microsoft OneNote. It's kind of easy. You also have an option. If it doesn't work, go to the file or home right here and click the open data. And from there, you can open the .enex or NX file or the HTML, whichever you prefer. It's kind of easy. And from here, you can do a lot of things. Go to the file, save it as a PDF, or maybe connect it to the Microsoft Office tools. Because migrating from Evernote requires exporting data to formats like ENEX, HTML, or PDF, and then importing data into the destination platform such as Microsoft OneNote. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.